Hello. In day 5, we are going to learn the commands like mirror, create group and then stays. Let's learn these commands in Maths. Let's start with the group. As the name indicates, if you want to add the number of geometries or objects into one group, then we use the group command. I just go with the box now, or you can go with any other geometries. Again I go with box. Like this. So once I done, individually you can click any object which one you want to select, but if I want to add these all the geometries into one group, first I select these all geometries by cross selection or window selection. Then in the menu bar option we have the group. Click on the group option and then click on the group. So you have to give the name, group name, whatever the name you can give, that is A, B, C or whatever it may be, and then OK. So at a time you can move it, rotate it in single click. This is how you can operate. Once you done the project, in order to make all the parts as individual, then you can convert the part into group. Now you can say while doing the apartment and all the stuff, almost the apartment plans are in the mirror or opposite way. Once you've done one layout, 1 BHK unit or 2 BHK unit, you make it as a group and then you can mirror this. To get a mirror, here we have the mirror command, and then it is asking the selected a set. Then just select it first and click over the mirror option. Then here we have the axis, and what axis we want the mirror, we have to click it. Already I got the mirror with respect to the x-axis, but it overlap with the original one, and if you want to separate from that, even you can move this, or else you can give the offset, how much offset you want, like this, to separate it. And then if you want to mirror the original one, then you can click on the no clone option, or else you can click on the copy if you want to keep the original along with the copy, and then OK. So this is how you can mirror the selected group or object. Next I click and then you can go to the mirror option. Even you can go with any other axis, that is y axis. Here you can see how you will get it in y, and then click on z. This is how you get, or else you can go with the xy plane, xy, yz plane, zx plane, like that, depending on the requirement. You can switch into the axis, mirror axis, and then give the offset. And then if you want to copy or instance, already we know that if we do any changes in the original object, that will be affecting the copied objects also. Like this way, depending on the requirement, you can do the mirror. Next let's learn the stays and the types. To get that, click on the create option and then geometry. Just after the standard extended compound, scroll it down. Here we have the stays. We have 4 type of stays. Depending on the requirement, you can select. The first one is a straight state. Click the first and second, which indicate the width of the staircase, and this is the length of the flight, single stairs, and click, and then you can give the height parameter. So once you give, then you can change the parameters of the stairs. Click over the modify option and then change the structure of the staircase. Here we have the type open, close, box. Depending on the requirement, you can change it. Next, if you want to give the strangers just left and right side, then you can on the stranger option like this. And then if you want to keep the handrail left and then right, you can keep. So you can keep the handrail like this, or else you just make it off and then keep the rail path option, that is left and right. By using this rail path, we can draw the railing Either you keep the handrail if you want it in 3D, or else make it off and then click the rail path. By using this rail path, we can define we can create the railing by using the rail option separately. We can see it later. Next, we have the layout, that is length, how much length you want and then how much width you want. According to that, you will get the thread and riser height depending on the slope and length. Next, here we have the riser, that is overall riser, not the individual riser. In order to draw the stair according to the thread and number of risers, we can use the shape option that we can see in the future session. But here by default we have the overall riser. You can customize it according to the requirement, and this is the overall width and riser height like this. Next, come to the steps, that is the thickness is 2 meter. Next option is carriage. So you can change the parameter of the carriage, and then railing, that is the height of the railing path. You can increase or decrease. And then next, stringers, you can increase the depth and then decrease the depth of the stringer. Next, you can give the offset. So this is how you can modify the stair. After this, we have the U-type stair. Click first and second and then give the width and then height. So here you will get the dog-leg shape of the staircase. To modify, go to the modify, make it open, close like that, and then change the parameter like left handrail, right handrail, like this way, or else you can go with the rail path option. And then length 1, depending on the requirement, length 2, overall width of the staircase, offset from the first flight to the second flight, and overall riser cut, thickness option, and then carriage, railing, stringers. So you can go according to the requirement. Next is spiral staircase, center and then radius and then height. Depending on the requirement, you can change the parameters like close, box, open, stringers. If you want, you can keep center pole, you can, and then you can reduce the radius of it, increase the thread radius, and revisions, how much revisions you want, like this. Next, width, I just want to off the center pole, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Overall riser height overall. Then next step, the depth, how much you want. Next, carriage option, increase the depth and other parameters, width like this. Railing, if you click on the railing, then you can go. Stringer parameters you can increase. So like this way, the options are same for all the types of the staircase. Only the thing is you can change the shape depending on the requirement. In next video we learn the other commands. Thank you.